Now we're ready to place the battery into our Ponto 5 SuperPower. So the SuperPower takes the 675 implant batteries in the blue color. What you want to do is remove the tab once you're ready to use them. Let that sit for approximately 2 to 5 minutes so the air can come in and activate the battery. We'll let that sit there. We have a battery ready for us to go. So I like to turn the Ponto upside down and then pick up the battery. The ridge side should go facing down, flat side sitting up. So then you're able to close the battery. That turns the device on. You'll see the light flick on here in a second. That means it's working. To turn the Ponto off, you just have to open the battery door. You can use this tool to place the battery in or out. If you forget and place the battery upside down, you won't be able to close the door and you don't want to force it. So let's take it back out. Oops. Flat side up again, place it in, you're ready to go.